Watch me closely now. I'm traveling at the speed of light. From another universe.
This is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today I'm going to make something that I've never made before, and I thought about it last week when I went to Aldi and I got some slider buns right here, whatever you call them, slider rolls, whatever. And I had seen somewhere a while back where somebody had made some sliders using steak. Well, I didn't have any steak thawed out, but I've had this ground beef that I fixed, and I knew when I got these at all these slider rolls, I knew that this is exactly what I was going to fix. But the one thing that I'm going to do right now, I've got one large onion in here, and I've got a green bell pepper and a red bell pepper in here, and I put about a tablespoon of avocado oil in here. And then I cut the peppers and the onions up, and I put salt and pepper on them. And like I said, I've got my New Wave on 250 here, so that's medium low, between medium and low. So that's what I'm cooking them on, and I'm going to cut these slider rolls up. Let me see if I can zoom y'all in. Yeah, there you go. I'm going to cut these slider rolls up, and hopefully I'll be able to cut them straight, but who knows. This end is messed up, so that's going to be kind of weird. But I've got my knife. This is a bread knife that I got at Walmart, and it's a Farberware. No,
Watch me closely now. I'm traveling at the speed of light. From another universe, where the stardust and kryptonite. Don't be afraid, you're alright. You're in a haze, just for the night.
I'm gonna put provolone cheese on the bottom, and I don't know why I'm doing this so fast, because I've still got to heat up the ground beef has been cooked, but I've still got to heat it up once I do these, so I will bring y'all back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so I'm going to go on and, oh shoot, these are so soft. Alright, I'm going to go on and put the provolone cheese on the bottom.
Watch me closely.
I'm gonna get out the hamburger and get it warmed up. I've got some tater tots. I've got my oven preheated to 425, and I've got some tater tots that I'm gonna fix with these, and I will bring you back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I got so frustrated. I'm wringing wet with sweat. I could not get the top off of this bottle. It had some weird top on it, and I had to break the crap out of it to get the top off. There's no, oh, right here it is. It says to open, unscrew cap. Well, I couldn't get it unscrewed. Oh, so anyway, on top of the cheese, I'm going to put some mayonnaise. Buddy, that was frustrating. Oh, I hate that I hate getting older. I hate it. I cannot do anything anymore. I just don't have the strength. All right, so I've heated let me show you, the ground beef up right there. All right, let me get this back. All right, and I'm going to take as much as this will hold and put the ground beef on here. put any salt and pepper on this ground beef when I cooked it like a dummy. I'm also forgetting things real bad. My mom has Alzheimer's. I know I've told y'all this before, but I think that I've got early onset Alzheimer's. My doctor sent me to get an MRI done, and I got so scared that of getting in the machine or whatever that I couldn't do it. So, and I probably done told y'all this, and y'all probably are thinking that I really do have it. So, all right, so I'm going to put some salt and pepper on here. I think I'm going to try to pile all of the ground beef on here. Alright, and now I'm going to put I didn't get out the mushrooms. I'm going to put the peppers and onions on here. Now we're going to try to put, nope, oops, nope, I almost forgot. I've got 6 on the bottom, 6 slices of provolone cheese on the bottom, and I'm going to put 6 on the top.
Watch me closely now. I'm traveling at the speed of light from another universe where the stardust and kryptonite.
I'm going to wrap these, I'm going to wrap these up with aluminum foil. I've got my oven on 425, and I'm going to let these cook for about 15 minutes, I guess. Okay, y'all. I was getting ready to put these in the oven. Y'all know what a hard time I had getting them wrapped in the aluminum foil. And I forgot something. I forgot to put butter on the tops of them. Now, I have a half a stick of butter with, I just put some, let me show you. This is, oh my gosh, this is my favorite new seasoning. Badia Complete Seasoning. I put some of that in there. And I put parsley flakes in the butter. I melted the butter, and then I put the Badia Complete in the parsley. And I'm going to just put this all over these.
Watch me closely now.
Try to get it on. Gosh, it smells so good. Oh, gosh. I am so hungry. All right, now I'm going to wrap these up again with aluminum foil. And I'm going to put these in the oven for 15 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes, and I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. All right, these stayed in the oven for 15 minutes, and now I've got them out, and I'm going to see. Oh, they're just so soft. Today is Thursday, so Thursday to Friday, Friday to Saturday, Saturday to Sunday. Okay, cool. All right, so what's left over, I'm going to put in the fridge and eat that this weekend. All right, let me get these. Oh, it looks like the bottom's burnt. And I had it on the top, too. All right, I'm having a hard time getting these out. I will bring you right back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so I want to show you the bottom just totally burnt off of these. Because I had mine and I didn't even think about it. So I should have put these on about 325, and I was cooking them the same time, on the same temperature that I was cooking the tater tots here, and they just burn up. So I'm having to eat them without the bottom of the bun, which I don't like that, but I'm sure that y'all will see that. I mean, I was trying. I just didn't even think about it, and so that's what I should have done. I should have cooked these on about 350 instead of 425, because I just totally, the bottom just burnt to a crisp on here. So all this time I've been waiting to fix these, and this happens. It's still good. Good thing I'm not cooking for anybody but me. Well, I can't pick this up, but that's kind of like my sloppy joes the other day. I had to use a fork to eat them because it was so messy. I put too much water in that. So, well, it definitely is good. I just can't eat it on the slider roll, so I'm sorry. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and different things that I use in my kitchen that you can purchase on Amazon. And I hope you have a good day. Bye.